Okay, now we have the next topic. The next topic is successive refraction. What is this? Soon you'll understand. It's not a big deal. Let me draw. Let me draw a glass slab this time. Okay. Let's say this is my glass slab. Okay. Let me name it A, B, C, and D. Okay. What next? Let me draw normal here. Okay. This is my normal. Now, let me take a ray of light coming like this. This is my ray of light coming like this. Now, what will happen after reaching here? It will bend like this. Okay. It must actually go straight like this, but it will bend like this because of refraction. Very good. Let's say it will reach here like this. Now, what will happen? Let me draw another normal here. Let me draw normal here. Okay. Now, after refraction, what will happen to this? Again, it will go like this. Now, sir, how will it go? This line, okay, and this line, they will be parallel. This line, okay, straight it will go like this. So, I am drawing it parallel. Got the point? Now, look, what will happen is this line straight if it goes, and this one, these two lines will be parallel. Okay. Now, let me coin some terms here. Let me write down something here. Let me say this is N, this is N1. Okay. And let me name this as M, this is M1. Okay. Another, let's say this angle let me write down as theta A, and let me write down this angle as theta G. Why am I writing theta G? Because your book is writing like that. Okay, I don't want to change and make you confused. What about this angle theta G, and this theta G will be equal, so this will be theta G. What about this angle? This angle is theta A. These two angles will be same. Okay, this angle and this angle is same, and this angle and this angle is equal. They are equal. Okay. Now, what next? Let me position them. Let's say this ray of light, this is coming like this, right? It is going like this and it is going away like this. Let's say this point is P, this is Q, this is R, and let's say this is S. P, Q, R, S. Okay. So, my ray of light P, Q, R, S is, let me take this and put it in corner. I cannot take only this as into the corner. Let me try. Let's try. Baby, let's try. Yes, this has gone to the corner. Okay, now, okay. What shall I do? Let's have some fun. What fun? PQRS. What is PQRS? PQRS. What is PQRS? PQRS. It's a ray of light. Ray of light passing through a glass slab A, B, C, D. Okay. Now, glass slab. What about the glass slab? What are the characteristics of glass slab? Glass slab has AB and DC are parallel. This is like rectangle type, right? So, glass slab AB and DC are where AB is parallel to DC. Got the point? Now, another thing is, let's say this outside one is air. This outside, this is air. Okay, all air. All this is air. And this is my glass. I am keeping the glass in air. Okay. Now, what next? Let's go next. Next is, what is theta A? Theta A. Theta A is angle of incidence, and theta G is angle of refraction, angle of incidence, angle of refraction. Now, we know second law. You know second law, right? What is second law? Second law of Snell's law we have discussed, right? Sin I by sin R. Sin of angle of incidence by sin of angle of refraction is constant. I can write down using Snell's law that, what shall I write down? Sin of, therefore, sin of angle of incidence is theta A divided by sin of angle of refraction is theta g, which will be equal to refractive index of A with respect to G. Okay, what is this? Refractive index of glass, refractive index of glass with respect to air. Okay, this is my refractive index of glass. What is refractive index of this glass with respect to air will be angle of incidence and angle divided by angle of refraction, taking sine of that. Okay, now we know that since AB and DC are parallel, right? Okay, that means we have already discussed, that means this angle and this angle will be equal, this normal also will be parallel, these two will also will be parallel. And if you know that if this line are parallel and these two are parallel, then this angle and this angle will be equal and this inside angle also will be equal. That's the rule. Okay, but we have already known, so no need to worry about that. Okay, now let us discuss about, here we have discussed theta A by theta G, this thing we have discussed. Let's say here, let us discuss here this angle divided by this angle. Okay, this angle divided by this angle, we have taken this angle theta A divided by theta G we have taken, right? Now let us take theta G divided by theta A. Okay, let me take new page. Okay, in new page let me write down for refraction at the second interface, second interface or refraction, let me write down refraction at DC. What do I mean? I want to discuss about refraction here, diffraction at this point. What will happen? Sine of theta G divided by sine of theta A. Sine of theta G divided by sine of theta A, which will be equal to, okay, look here, so theta A divided by theta G is A, this one divided by G. Okay, A G, refractive index of glass with respect to air. Okay, now if I need to write down theta G divided by theta A, it will be, how shall I write down? G first, refractive index of glass with respect to air. So I can write down refractive index of glass, refractive index of glass with respect to air. Oh, refractive index of air with respect to glass, sorry for that. Okay, now so can I write down this one as A, refractive index of A with respect to G will be equal to 1 by G with respect to A. Can I write down like this? Okay, how from these two equation, this equation, this equation, look, I've taken from previous, this one and this two. From these two equation, can I write down, can I combine these two? Look, theta A by theta G is this one and theta G by theta A, this is opposite of one another, right? Can you see these two are opposite of one another? Theta is up here, theta A is down here, theta G is down here, theta G is up here. So I can write down like this. Got the point? From 1 and 2. So what is happening? Okay, so from equation 1 and 2. Okay, which is equation number 1, this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, I can write down like this. So I can say, what I can say is, I can conclude thus refractive index of okay, refractive index of glass with respect to air of glass, or I can write down refractive index of air with respect to glass, air with respect to glass is reciprocal of refractive index of glass with respect to air, glass with respect to air, and vice versa, and vice versa. Okay, I hope you understood this. If you don't, please do write in the comment below.